When to use some and when to use any in a sentence. But before we start with the exercise, let us understand what are the conditions. Some is used when the sentence is positive in nature, or whenever you're making requests, or whenever you're making offers. Any is used when the sentence is a question or it's a negative sentence, like whenever you have don't or not in a sentence. So let's get started. First question, can I have blank milk please? It's a question, but still it is making a request here. Please. So first, before question, request is given more priority. So we will go with some. Can I have some milk please? So this is a request here. So the answer is some. Next, do you have blank pencils? Do you have? It's a positive sentence, of course, but still it is a question. It is a questionary sentence and question follows up with any. Do you have any pencils? Next, he has blank ideas for the project. He has blank ideas for the project. He has. It's a positive sentence. So we will go with some. He has some ideas for the project. Next, I don't have blank money. Don't implies that this sentence is negative in nature. It's negative in nature. So, as per the demands, negative sentences supports any. So, we will write I don't have any money. Next, can I have blank cookies? Can I have blank cookies? Here you're making a request. Although it's a question, but as I said earlier, requests are given more importance that when compared to question. So here can I is requesting here. Can I have some cookies? Next, I don't know blank of the women here. Don't is a keyword here. It clearly implies that this sentence is a negative sentence. It's negative in nature. So as per rules, negative sentences goes with any. So we will write any. I don't know any of the women here. Next, I have seen blank good action movies. I have seen. Have seen implies that this sentence is positive in nature. It's a positive sentence. So, as per rules, positive sentences goes with some. I have seen some good action movies. Next, is there blank traffic on the road? Is there blank traffic on the road? It's a questionary sentence. It's a question asked here that is there blank traffic on the road? Questions follow up with any. So we will write any. Is there any traffic on the road? Okay. Next, can I blank water? Can I blank water? It's a questionary sentence, fine. But can I is telling you are offering something here. Offering. Can I get blank water? Whenever you offer something or request something, we go with some. So we will write some here. Can I get some water? You're offering here. Okay, it's not more of a question. Apart from being a question, you are also offering something to someone. Okay, last. I have blank oranges in the fridge. I have implies that this sentence is positive in nature. It is positive in nature. So, as per rules, positive sentences goes with some. I have some oranges in the fridge. I hope that you have found this video interesting. If you have found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.